Digestive issues are a common complaint, but just because so many people suffer from these issues doesn't make them normal. In fact, a breakdown in digestive function is at the root of many health issues. We're sharing our pro tips on how to improve digestion naturally at home. 70% of Americans do or will suffer from digestive dysfunction in their lifetime, even if you don't have typical symptoms of poor digestion, such as gas, bloating, or constipation. Boost stomach acid. This is an area of misconception for most people. Many people who have heartburn, gas, and bloating likely have too little stomach acid, not too much. The typical treatment is to take antacids, which reduces stomach acid even further, exacerbating the problem. Proper stomach acid levels are critical for the breakdown of proteins in the stomach. Stomach acid also destroys pathogenic bacteria that can lead to illness. Boost stomach acid naturally by adding freshly squeezed lemon to your water or by drinking 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar and water each morning. I add both to warm water with a dash of cayenne every morning, and honestly, I never feel the same without it. Reduce or eliminate processed foods. Processed foods are hugely challenging for the digestive system. A good thing to keep in mind: if you don't recognize an ingredient on the label, your body won't either. Processed foods are full of anti-nutrients, which means the body must deplete its own nutrient stores for these foods to metabolize, essentially robbing the body of nutrients rather than nourishing. This also causes your body to expend more energy than it should. More processed foods cause less energy for you. Stick to whole foods as much as possible. Eat more fiber. Fiber helps keep your colon healthy by speeding up the transit time through the body. A faster transit time means any toxins you've taken in spend less time in the body. Fiber also helps remove the bad bacteria and toxins from the colon. Probiotics. Our gut is teeming with bacteria, and that's good. But if the balance in our bacteria gets tipped in the wrong direction, it can lead to digestive issues. We need good bacteria to strengthen the immune system, reduce chronic inflammation, help with healing leaky gut, and more. Chew your food. Chewing well is a critical and yet widely overlooked practice. Chew thoroughly to help food digest. Food should be liquid before you swallow. Saliva contains enzymes you need to begin breaking down the food for digestion, and you don't want to rush through this process. Our stomach doesn't have teeth.